Dropshipping, SMMA, and Amazon FBA is not the best online income to get started in 2025. Not only is they super saturated, but it takes a lot of time and money to get started. But not only is this business model I'm going to show you growing in popularity, it's one of the laziest online business models you can start as well, with only 20 minutes a day, because you're using AI to automate pretty much everything. This income is faceless Facebook pages with multiple ways to monetize. It's one of the easiest ways beginners can start making money online. So let's jump straight into how you can get started. First, we need to pick a niche. A niche is basically just your category. Some popular niches that's been doing really good on Facebook Reels is going to be sports, storytelling, food, fitness, and finance. So anything in these categories, you don't have to pick one. If you have another category in mind / niche that you want to pick, you can do this, but these are just some that I've seen popping off on Facebook Reels right now. So once you pick your niche, now let's go to Facebook so we can create our page now. Okay, when you're on a home screen of your Facebook profile, all you need to do is just scroll down to where it say pages and click on this. And now you'll see where it say create new page. You want to click on this. And for your page name, let's say you pick something in the sports. Just having something related to sports like soccer, men, or I don't know, just related to sports. So like right here, I say cleaning for moms. So you already know this is cleaning for moms. So, just something like that. Okay, and next is category. This isn't too important. So just type in something related to your niche. Like with mine right here, when I started typing in cleaning, I just can push in cleaning service. So I'm gonna just type that in. And lastly is a bio. If you don't want to type your own bio, you just can go over to like ChatGPT and just have it shoot out a bio for Facebook or something like that. So for mine, I just put in, are you a mom that loves cleaning? On this page, we're going to give you all the cleaning tips and tricks. So once you're done, just hit create page. Okay, now that's just the first part of creating your page. Now you need a logo and a banner. As you can see on my profile right here, I have a nice logo and I have a banner. Cleaning content, because who doesn't love a clean home? Yes, I actually have a cleaning page already, Crisp So Clean for moms. It was actually a W niche. So to easily create a logo and a banner for your Facebook profile, just head over to Canva. Canva takes care of this easy. So once you're on Canva, just come up, you'll see create a design. And right here, first we need logo. So just click on logo, 500 by 500 pixels. And you just can scroll through and see something you like right here. Let's say you like this big bowl, you can click on it. And now you can edit it however you want. So let's say I want this to say like clean crew. I would just double click on a B and then just type in whatever I wanted to say. So as you can see, I just typed in clean crew. Not easy. We could just use this right here if we wanted to, but let's say you want to add in some different things, like change this orange right here to yellow. Just click on it. And then you'll see color right here. You click on color. You can change it to whatever your color you want. So I just can click on yellow now. As you can see, it's yellow. I can change the color of the text. So right here, where I clicked on the text and it say text color right here, I can click on this and change the color. So yeah, I could just use this logo. This is an absolutely hideous logo, but just something that doesn't look this bad. Just have a nice little logo, that really describes your profile. But once you're done creating your logo, just hit share. It's in the top right hand corner, and then just hit download. And now that we have our logo, we just need a Facebook banner now. So on Canva, come back to the Canva home screen and hit create a design, and then type in Facebook cover. As you can see, Facebook cover 1640 by 924 pixels. You just click on this one, and right here you just can do the same thing. Just scroll through and see something you like this one right here. I can click on this one because this is really clean stuff, and just edit it however I want. Maybe get rid of this photo and then edit this text right here to say my profile. Get rid of this part right here. Yeah, that's pretty. Hey, this is actually really nice. This is a nice banner compared to our logo, but as you can see, that's all you need. It took me like 3 minutes to do all of this, my logo and my banner, so it don't take that long. And then once you do, just go over to Facebook, click on just the profile, and then it'll let you upload both of them. And that's pretty much all you need for your Facebook profile now. Okay, now that we got our Facebook profile all done, we can head over to ChatGPT, because now we need a script, for a video idea. And if you can't even think of video ideas, that's okay. You can use ChatGPT to ask you for some video ideas as well. So I just typed in create me some faceless Facebook Reel ideas for a cleaning page that is targeted towards moms in the US that loves to clean. So the more information you put in, the better. You don't have to be no crazy paragraph or nothing. Just be specific and then just hit enter. As you can see, 5-minute speed cleaning hacks, how to remove stubborn stains, cleaning motivation reels. So let's say you like one of these, like right here, start with a messy room and cut to a sparkling clean one. So for just 3, let's say for 3 clean motivation reels, I just come down to message ChatGPT and I would say, create get me a video script around 30 seconds for 3 cleaning motivation reels, and then just hit enter. And as you can see, it shot me out a script, but the only problem here is it didn't shoot me out any words. So it's just a regular script, which sucks. So what you can do now is just say, add a voiceover to this. I need a voiceover for this script. So I just said, add a voiceover to this script. This script is primarily focused on the voiceover. So now it has a voiceover for all the different parts now. So you just can copy the voiceover and paste it into our AI generation now. For our AI generator for the videos, we're going to be using a tool called AI Video. I had a link down in the description plus a code that will get you 20% off for 12 months. So once you click on that link and come over to AI Video, this is going to be the screen that you come to. So it's going to say generate complete video from a script or topic, or explore from scratch in the editor. So just say generate complete video from script or topic. I like to go with this one because it's easier. And as you can see, it has different formats that you can use, everything from 3D, comic, cinematic, heat shielding, a bunch of different ones. So I like to use product marketing, romanticism as cinematic. I almost butchered that word. Or I like to use cinematic. So just click on whatever one you want. I'm gonna click on product marketing. Then right here say enter your topic. So whatever topic you're in, whatever niche you're in, you want to enter this. So mine is cleaning. And then for the script, of course, you're gonna be using a script from ChatGPT. So go back over to ChatGPT and paste in your script. And once you paste in your script, go for video duration. I like to do around 30 seconds. And then the art style, where it say AI video, I like to do AI images too, because when you just do AI video, it just kills your credits. You can also do stock videos, and depending on what category you're in, your niche, you can do diagrams as well, but I just like to stick with AI video, AI images, and like I said, stock video is not half bad. And for AI generated content, I like to do realistic, so I'm gonna click on realistic. And then for editor's notes, if you want something specific, you can just put this in right here. I'm gonna leave that blank because I don't really need nothing too crazy. Okay, and for upload a product or character reference, this is, let's say you got like a character or something that you want, a person or image or something you want to put in right here. This is where you do that. I'm gonna leave this blank. We don't need all of that. And then orientation, this is very important, very important. So make sure you click the right one. So for portrait, you just want to leave this clicked if it's already clicked. Landscape is like for YouTube. Portrait is like for reels and TikToks and all that. So make sure it's just on portrait. Captions, you could pick whatever one you want. I like the phone or the minimum shadow. This is pretty much the best ones to me. And then the music right here, you can type in whatever type of music you want. So upbeat modern track, pretty good for cleaning. And then last, you just want to describe your audience. So just type in whatever audience you have. So if it's sports or technology or whatever your audience like. So for my niche, it's moms around 40 that love to clean. And then last but not least, hit generate and you're done. Okay, once your video is done, just download it. And this is some of my video right here.
Think your house is spotless? Here are 5 spots you probably forgot to clean. Light switches and door handles.
As you can see, not half bad. It got the music, it got the clean audio, it got the images. So this is not half bad, especially because I didn't have to do no work. I didn't have to do no work at all for this. I just typed in a little bit and had to get no images, no videos or nothing, put it together. Just shot it out all for us with AI. So now every day, once you're done, you just can come over to Facebook and just hit reel and upload it. So that easy, you can get that done. And I like to post 2 times a day. I like to do my reel, and then I like to do a text post, or you can do GIFs or memes. You just can go over to Google, type in whatever your niche is and find some memes and edit them up and put them in too. But if you want to just be completely lazy, you don't want to even do none of that. I understand. You can go over to ChatGPT again, and I got a whole tab where each day I just come in and I just get my idea for the day. So if I scroll up, all I said was I own a cleaning page on Facebook. The target is audience is moms who love to clean with some good content I can make, whether it be post or Facebook reels. And then as you can see, it updated the memory, so it will remember that now. Then it'll just give me the post ideas and everything. So when I scroll down, as you can see, it give me out ideas like this. And then every day, all I come and say is make me a Facebook post in the clean niche for moms, and it shoot out a post like this. So as you can see, and one thing I love too is shoot out emojis too, because people on Facebook, they love emojis. So I got all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 emojis, the stars right here, the check right here, the mom tip, and with the light bulb. This is a clean post that it just shoot out really easy. So let me just say right here, make me a Facebook post in a clean niche for moms. So I'm gonna copy this and then paste it in right here, and then I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see, it's Facebook post out there. It's 3 quick cleaning hacks every mom needs to know. And it's just shooting it out for me. Got the bonus tip right here, got the 3, and then it even shows me why this would do decent. So yeah, that's really easy, So you just take this, just copy all of it, come back over here to Facebook. What's on my mind? I'll tell you what's on my mind. Click on this and then just Control V to copy it, paste it in. And as you can see, just with all the emojis right here, I can hit post now. And as you can see, it's posted. You can even get an image if you want to with Midjourney, or just download just a cleaning image and add it to it if you want to. So yeah, it's not that hard to grow a page anymore using AI. And that's why I said drop shipping, SMMA, Amazon FBA. That's too much work, too much money. When you got AI incomes that you can start, getting tools that cost like $20-30 a month versus spending like $1,000, $2,000+ each month, and ain't no guarantee you're gonna make it. So yeah, I hope this income is going to be a W for you, because it's just not that hard at all. It's pretty new. It's not saturated yet. You can pretty much any niche that you're interested in and start this up. Just make sure you're posting 2 times a day for maximum growth, and give it 2 to 3 months. You don't want to just do this for like a week or two and be like, oh man, I only got like 10 followers, this isn't working. Give it some months, give it some time to grow up. It's still a business at the end of the day. Social media is a business if you look at it like that. So just make sure you're giving it time. That's why I said through at least 3 months. I'm pretty sure you're going to have a decent following by then if you're just creating content. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you good luck in your online income journey, and until next time.